What's going on, y'all? I've been saying I'm gonna do this VA video for y'all for a little minute, and I finally got some time to do it. So let's get started. The reason I'm doing it is because a lot of the people that I know personally, that I know, they don't know, if they have a VA loan, what to do with their VA loan, how to even go about talking about it, to anybody. And I want to fix that. So first of all, the requirements for a VA loan. If you serve 90 days active duty, and that's boot camp usually is 2 months in all branches. This is not just Navy, this is Army, Marine, Air Force, you know. But everybody, if you serve any 90 day stint in any military branch, then you are automatically eligible for a VA loan. Then there's people, you may be medically retired, disability, anything like that. Hardship discharge. This is one that gets a lot of people because they think they aren't eligible for a VA loan because they got a hardship discharge. That's not true. You actually are still eligible for a VA loan with a hardship discharge. So now that we, knocked out the requirements, now you able to get a VA loan. But what does that mean, right? Or how do you go about doing that? So whenever you go to apply for a loan, right, for a home, you'll go talk to a lender, right, and they'll, ask you these things. Have you served in the military? And you'll be like, yes, I served X amount of dates, and they'll ask you for whenever you're filling out your application for a certificate of eligibility. So they'll probably call it a COE, right? But all it is a little paper. You go to va.gov, whatever your benefits thing is. Usually it's va.gov, but you'll just request it, or they can request it for you. They'll get it, and it'll stay, you know, airman, seaman, sailor, blah blah blah, is eligible for a VA loan, and it's simple as that. Literally simple as that, and then whenever you go to apply your loans, you're eligible for all these things. So when it comes down to it, a lot of people don't really know what a VA loan does for you. So to start it off, there are conventional loans, there are first time home buyer loans, FHA loans, and then VA loans. There are multiple types of loans, but those are the top three. Conventional loans, you need 10% down payment. With first time home buyer loans, you need like 3.5%. And when it comes down to the VA loans, they're no down payment, $0 down. Now that doesn't mean that you don't need any money to close, but because there are closing costs, and they're usually around 2 to 3% of your loan amount. However, zero down payment goes a long way. Depending on where you're buying, you could be buying, anywhere from Virginia, where the average home price is around 275 to 300,000, or you could be buying in California, where the average home price is around 750,000. So when you're talking about 3.5% of 750,000, that VA loan definitely comes in handy. Also, so whenever your loan is not 20% covered, so if they have to cover more than 80% of your loan, right? You have to pay what's called mortgage insurance. However, whenever you have a VA loan, you don't have any mortgage insurance on the loan, so this saves you anywhere from $200 to $300 a month. Trust me, it definitely comes in handy. On top of that, I want to definitely circle this one. All right, I am a stickler. I am an advocate for disability. Right? If you literally got out the Navy and you're not getting disability of some sort, or haven't tried, or haven't talked to anybody about it, please DM me, let me know. All right, because this is a lot. This is one that a lot of people don't know about. If you are receiving 10% or greater and disability, there's no VA funding fee for your loan. None. All right. So whenever you get a VA loan, the VA charges a fee, right? Rolled into your loan in order to fund the loan for you to buy the home, right? If you have 10% disability or greater, that fee is waived. All right. So here's your VA loan facts. If you have any other, this is just a gist of it. But if you have any other questions, please let me know. Thank you.